So here you see a plan I opened. It's a floor plan, and you see that there is a lot of information on it. If I select this section, I click my right mouse button and go to View. You see that there is opening another plan. I will put them next to each other. In this case, I want to show you how Revit is connected. If I click here, for example, I want to select my door. I see here in my section that the same door is enlightened. If I select this staircase, I don't know which staircase it is, I see that it's over here. If I use my section and I move it, you see that the section is also moving or changing in the section I took. If I change it to, for example, inside of the cabinets, you see that here is a toilet. If I select, for example, in a 2D plan, these grabs or these mirrors, you see this is connected. For example, if I change in the plan view, if I change it to here, you see also in the section that is moving or shifting. So in this case, all of the plans are connected, all of the objects are placed on a different level or on a view which is connected with each other. I will, to make it very clear, using now the section which is higher, and I place a wall here. So I place a wall from here to here. You see here that there is a wall. I just draw something. I didn't saw to the parameters. This is a wall. So you can combine multiple things. If I pick this table, or I pick this table in a section, I delete it. It's also gone in the floor plan. And this is why I wanted to show you how the models are not different views, but everything is connected with each other. If you want, you can also say, I want to select this, and we go back to the section box, and then it will appear in a 3D view. If I say wait, you can also say, if I select this in 3D, it's the same toilet here, and it's the same toilet over there. This toilet is the same. Oh, this toilet is the same. And you also have this wall. It's that wall. It's that wall. So everything is connected.